Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. But you can download this template and buy it from my Patreon link that I have given in the description below. So let's start. First, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is clean up your entire slide and go to Insert tab and Shapes, and you're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. Now we're gonna increase its size and put it into the middle of our slide. Let's just move it right here. Remove its outline, and the next thing we're gonna do is go to Insert tab and Pictures, and for my downloads I'm gonna insert this picture of a rose pot. So let's just use eyedropper to give the background as color. Because this is too dark color, let's just give it a lighter shade. We're gonna click on gradient for this one corner rectangle, give it two gradient stops, one of red and one of white. So what we're gonna do is click on type option, and from here we're gonna click on path option, and let's just move this red more to the right side. We're gonna make the red a lighter color, so this is how it looks right now. We're gonna click on OK, and we're gonna move the red gradient stop onto the left side and give it an outline so that we can clearly see that it is more like it is separate from the background color. Now we're gonna go to form a background, and we're gonna make the background feel more lighter. This color looks just fine. Next, we're gonna insert the text box in which we're gonna write the title. And for now, I'm gonna use Rose, which is the title for the flower pot. And next, we're gonna insert a content text. And let me just remove this one, decrease its size, and we're gonna put it right here. Plus, we're also gonna change the text size to white. Here you go. Next, we're gonna increase the title size so that we can clearly see, because all of the space in our template is remaining. So we're just gonna add one button which says buy, and it is gonna be around the corner rectangle with an outline and no fill. And we're gonna insert the word buy in it. You duplicate the slide, and we're gonna change the title, and because it's too long, let's just decrease the size. We're gonna move it downwards. Now we're gonna select the picture, and let's just replace it with another pot from my downloads, and then I'm gonna change the gradient fill using the white gradient fill, and I'm gonna use the eyedropper option to match the colors with the like the image. Next, we're gonna change the fill for the background, duplicate your slide, and repeat the same following steps that I used for the previous slide. About first of all changing the image, and then we're gonna change the gradient fill of the round corner rectangle, and then also the background fill of the template. Next, duplicate this slide as well and change your text or the title. And you're gonna go to downloads, and from here I'm gonna insert another of a plant, and as you can see this is lavender. And what we're gonna do is change the background fill and give the rounded cornered color, a rounded cornered rectangle, a color of the same as the image. We're gonna duplicate the slide into a fifth slide, change the text and change the image as well. So this pot is of Jasmine, so we're gonna use the Jasmine as the title as well. Now we're gonna just choose a proper color for the round corner rectangle, a lighter shade. For which color we have chosen. For the background, let's use the darker shade. So that's all complete. Select all of your templates, go to Transitions tab, and click on Morph Transition. Next, we're going to go to second slide, copy all of its content, paste them onto the first slide, then move them while holding shift downwards. But first, let's just move it backwards. Let's copy it again, and we're going to carefully put it onto the same things in the slide, and then we're going to move it downwards while holding shift. Now we're going to go to first slide and copy all of its content, paste it onto the second slide, Then we're gonna move them upwards. Go to third slide, copy all of its content, move it onto the second slide and downwards. Copy the contents of second slide, move them onto the third slide and move them upwards out of the slide. Next, we're going to copy the fourth slide's content, paste it onto the fifth slide, and we're going to copy the third slide's content, paste it onto the fourth slide and upwards. We're going to copy fifth slide content and move them onto the fourth slide, but move them downwards out of the slide. Copy and paste the contents of fourth slide and move them on the fifth slide. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus you can also hit the bell icon to get more of these amazing videos. Let me tell you that you can free download or you can not free download this template because it's premium in my Patreon just for $5.